So today we are shipping out a load going to the Midwest. So this customer is getting 3 dosing hoppers, 5 conveyors, screener, and 3 separators. So and a vertical mill. So he already has everything else before that. The material shredded already. So and we have this long auger as well. So what's going to happen is this auger is the screener is going to be straddling 2 dosing hoppers, and this auger is going to be bringing the 3rd fraction to the 3rd dosing hopper. So 3 of these air tables, there's already 2 in the truck, 1 left, and then these long conveyors are going as well. Little by little. So anyways, like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Happy Friday.